So the S Pen has been reserved for the Galaxy Note series ever since it was introduced a decade ago. But this year, Samsung is switching things up. It has plans to offer the S Pen support for the S21 Ultra. And now the compatible S Pen has leaked. The new S Pen is said to be available as an optional extra for the S21 Ultra. These images are provided to us confirms that the stylus meant to be used alongside the company's flagship device, but that won't have a clickable end. This is hardly surprising seeing how the Galaxy S Pen is meant to be stored inside the S21 Ultra itself. Samsung intends to offer at least one new protective case with a dedicated storage space for securing the stylus. This accessory is also a part of today's leak. Now the S Pen strongly resembles the version shipping with the Galaxy Tab S7 tablets, rather than the more compact version found inside the Note 20 Ultra. It uses the same pressure-sensitive tape but ditches the clicker on the top. Nevertheless, the S Pen still can be used to scroll through presentation, a remote shutter for taking photos, or starting and stopping videos. A series of gestures are also supported thanks to the integrated accelerometer sensor. Now it's unclear at this stage how much this case will cost, but the S Pen itself should be available for €40 across the Europe. To entice the customers, there is a possibility Samsung will offer bundles that includes the phone, the case, and the stylus. Now let's talk about the Galaxy Buds Pro. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro are already on sale on social media. Can you believe that? And it also seems there isn't just only one pair of them out in the wild. Today, an early unboxing and hands-on video of the Galaxy Buds Pro earbuds has been published on the Digital Slang channel on YouTube. It also gives us a rundown on many of the new earbuds features. Most importantly, it talks about the quality of active noise cancellation, or rather how it's good but not as impressive as it is on the AirPods Pro. But that is only his judgment. Now he also talked about the ambient sound feature that has seemingly been improved. The sound quality is said to be fantastic with clear mids, highs and punchy bass. But yeah, that's what it is. You can check out that video for more. If you want to see more episodes like this, please hit the like button, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.